Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you how to make a beautiful transparent box for keeping your valuable showpieces safe and dust free. You can make these attractive boxes easily at home of any size and shape as per your requirement. So let's get started. For making this box you need newspaper, OHP transparent sheets, cardboard, decorative tape, glue and cutter. I hope this video was helpful and now you can easily make this creative transparent box for your valuable showpieces. If you like the video then please share it, and if you have not subscribed my channel then please subscribe it for more interesting videos and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.